Hello and welcome back to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to host an image on GitHub and get a direct link that you can use anywhere, like in websites, documentation, or app configurations. Step 1. You will first need to download Git on your PC. So go to this link and download your specific Git version. Once it's downloaded, locate the executable file and run it by double-clicking it. Continue to follow the setup steps and complete the installation process. Once Git is installed, open the command prompt. In the terminal, type the following command. This will check if Git was installed successfully. If everything is working, you'll see the installed Git version displayed. Step 2. Next, you'll need a GitHub account. If you don't already have one, head to the link in the description and follow the quick sign-up process to create your account. After you've created your GitHub account, it's time to create your first repository. Think of a repository, or repo, as an online folder that hosts your files, in this case, your image. It safely stores your image on GitHub servers, making it easy to access and share. Click on the green New button and enter your repository name. Make sure to set it to public so it's easily accessed. After that, you can click Create Repository. Step 3. Copy the URL of your Git repository. Next, create a folder on your computer where you want to initialize Git. Place the image you want to upload inside this folder. Open the command prompt and navigate to this folder using the cd command. Once you're in the folder, run the following commands step by step. Git init to initialize a new Git repository locally. Git remote add origin and your GitHub repository URL to link your local repository to the remote one on GitHub. Git add and your image name to stage your image file for upload. Alternatively, you can use git add dot to stage all files in the folder. Git commit m and a message to commit your changes with a descriptive message. Git push u origin master to push your committed changes to the remote repository. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your image to your GitHub repository, hosting it online and ready to be shared. Simply refresh the page on GitHub and you'll see your photo has been uploaded. To get the direct link to your image, simply open the image in your browser from the repository, right-click on it, and select Copy Image Address or Copy Image URL. This URL is the direct link you can use anywhere to display or share your image. That is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.